See if we are live, but I think we should be. Gotta refresh it to make sure. Why the fuck does it not look like I'm live? Okay. Should be alright now. Should be alright now. And the music could be a bit louder. So I guess like this. Let me just see how it works. Let me just see how it works. Okay, everything is all right now, so we can start. Okay, let's see what we are working with. By the way, I have such a fucking sore throat. It hurts so much, but we still have to show up every day. And yesterday, while I was streaming, it started to feel like I was getting sick, and it turned out I did get sick. But who gives a fuck? Crypto, I mean, altcoins are looking really good. BTC still not having the strength I like it having. Like, we are trading above 69k, but I'm currently short from 69k. Oh, what's up, Cole? But we are currently trading below 69k, above 69k, but I'm currently short on it. I guess I'll cut my short around 69.8 or something. Let me see where this is. This is around 70k. Like right around this level right here, 69.8, 69.9. That is the level you would get invalidated, and the market could flip bullish. I'm small size on BTC short, so doesn't really matter. But let me just see what we have to work with. Like, if we go to the lower time frames, I can see a trend line forming here, looking like this, I guess, which could be respected, but also could be a confluence level to break if we want to move lower. Your GM. Yeah, this could be a solid level to actually break through if we want to go lower. But if we retest it and start moving up, could be a bullish move for BTC up to 70 plus. I mean, 70 plus is not that far away. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. But I guess this is the main area that is a resistance now. Like, from here, I guess, to here. Like, this is the key level to look to actually reclaim to go higher. So for now, if we get into this area, you might want to look for shorts, like, being completely honest. But then again, altcoins are looking much better. Let me just see ETH/BTC and how it looks on the 4 hourly, I guess. Cooling off a bit, but it is managing to reclaim this macro trend line, this right here. And this could be a bullish retest, and this could be your catalyst. Like, Cole, you know what I'm talking about. This could be the thing that we wanted to wait for. Like, let's go to the daily. You can see this macro trend line from August of 2022. We have been consistently dropping on the ETH/BTC chart. If this chart actually manages to reclaim this level, like, you see here, all of these are deviations, and we haven't had a close above it for months and months. So now if we go above, and this was just a bullish retest of it, like, looking at it from this perspective, we could start having a vicious move to the upside when it comes to ETH/BTC, meaning altcoins will actually really start to rally now. I mean, this is just a speculation thing for now, but I think we'll look into this being a possibility. Yeah, exactly. So ETH/BTC is actually looking better than it did for basically almost 2 years, like a year and a half. So Just want to see us holding this, like this whole zone, this whole gray area, plus this trend line is such a big confluence area. Like it's so big. So I guess if we do reclaim it in the next few months, I think ETH. That is why I want to see ETH above 10k, and it's not impossible. Like having this move, it's a 57% move to the upside to get to the highs. If that happens actually at one point, I think in the scenario where BTC moves a bit up or something like that, I think that is a highly likely scenario for ETH to actually be extremely bullish. I mean, like meme coins are kind of a thing for themselves, because they move in their own ways. But generally, Solana is now underperforming when it comes to the rest of the market. Let me see how Solana BTC is looking. Yeah, it's been dropping a bit. And when we look at the Solana ETH chart, you can really see the weakness here. So this is like Solana is dragging down most of the meme coins on it. So for now, the first thing that you would want to see for meme coins on Solana to actually start trending again is Solana moving up again, like going to, I guess, 190 or something. Because then again, at the end of the day, if Solana is not performing well, the Solana ecosystem is not expected to actually outperform the coin itself. Yeah, there are some coins like ZAC and so on which can move to like new highs every single day, but as long as Solana is not performing at its best, you can expect most of the meme coins to actually rally. So first look into Solana moving up, and then some money rotates into the ecosystem itself. And for now, all the eyes are on ETH, and that is why I'm kind of just chilling. I'm down tremendous amounts of money on Solana ecosystem shitcoins, but it is what it is at the end of the day. Like now it's time for ETH to shine, not Solana, and I think it will happen for a few more weeks, possibly months, because the ETF did get approved, and ETF approval means having a constant T-web to the upside, meaning something like this, like constant moves to the upside. So while this is happening, Solana is most likely not going to move as much. Like look for, I guess if you want a play that will make you money, just look for ETH beta plays. Like I mean, most of the coins I usually trade are good ETH betas, so I'll keep you up with trades. But shit like this, like Ondo is amazing. I did manage to catch the top on it. But for now, just meme coins can wait a bit. It is time to cool off, I think, in my opinion. And ETH is the remedy for the next few months, for a few weeks and possibly few months. Let's say it like that. And that is why I'm trying to build a huge long on ETH for when the T-web starts. Oh, not really, not necessarily. It doesn't have to break above the all-time highs, because the all-time highs are not as close for us to wait for them to actually get reclaimed. Yeah, a 30% move is not worth waiting for. We are waiting for this though. Like the main catalyst for altcoins would be us, I guess, trading above this whole area on the ETH BTC chart for a few days. That will be the catalyst for a big move to the upside when it comes to altcoins. And you can see the total. You can see the total. It's already coming back to life finally. This whole move was immaculate. But let's see the total 3. Yeah, total 3 is a bit weaker. But I think that happens over the next few months. I think we get to the all-time highs, and the total 2 just, it's time. It's a matter of weeks before we actually get to the all-time highs. INJ. I mean, like being completely honest, it didn't really have a big reason to stop here, as far as I can see. Maybe it was the fibs. yeah, I guess it was this zone right here, but it did stop here, so I guess it bottomed out. Like if you could have entered around 19, that would be perfect. But for now, I think this is probably the bottom. It looks like the bottom. It could make sort of a move again to the lows just to fake everyone out, and possibly you want to enter around $20 to $21. But but it really looks bottomy. Like it had a capitulation wick, so meaning most of the people got out around here, and only the smart money entered right here. Then it started ranging, and it's ranging for a few weeks now. Yeah, a month and a half. So it looks bottomed out, being completely honest. And if you get a chance to buy it at 20, you look to buy it at 20. And that is let me just see, that is 25% pullback from here, which is a lot, so you might not get a chance to buy it there, but it does look bottomed out. My throat hurts so much. I don't know why I got fucking sick. Let's go to the 1 hourly on this and see if we have any levels to actually add on to our longs. But it doesn't seem so. Really doesn't seem so. I mean, yeah, we do have a trend on the lower time frames, but it's kind of the same thing as BTC7. I don't know. I don't know where to add to this, and I want to add to longs on Solana, on ETH. I mean, it's not a bad place to enter. We did kind of move up from the bottom already, like from the Monday's range, which could have been a good entry. We did move up 2%. Let me just see. We are trading above all the MAs right now on the 4 hourly. Like all of these are lower than we are trading right now, so that is bullish. But why is it not swapping? I guess you could technically enter if you get a chance at like 37.26. If we do something like this, move down and do something like this. This could be a good entry for a long. But other than that, adding like right here is not the best idea, because you have this resistance right here coming up. So it doesn't really make much sense to long into resistance. Let me just go back to ETH BTC. It was, I mean, we can say it like this. It is this macro trend line, but technically, if you want to be precise, trading above, I guess, 0.55 would be perfect. 0.055 would be ideal. Like that would be the ideal level to trade above for a few weeks, a few days, and I think that kicks off the old season. I think that is the biggest catalyst we have for now. Ondo, I mean, we traded Ondo from this level to this level, which is a 30% move to the upside. I TP'd it fully right here. I didn't give a fuck about it going higher, and I don't give a fuck about it going higher. It could, but it doesn't make much sense for me to hold it, knowing how the markets work, and especially how violent Ondo moves are. So just imagine this could happen. It could just go back to, I guess, Monday's range, 17% move in like a few hours. That is a normal behavior for Ondo. Solana, I'm long on Solana, and I will add to longs if I see some strength above Monday's low. For now, it doesn't really make much sense for me to add, even though I'm like slightly underwater. Let me just see. Yeah, I'm 12% down on my position. But then again, it's not the end of the world. So Solana does look interesting. Does look like Like it wants to go fucking higher, but I don't know when. It really looks bottomed out. Like this was a distribution area right here, fully distributed across two down moves. Now made a capitulation wick, made a bottom, and it's trading above, like slightly above. I guess this could be a retest of the Monday's low. So for now, I really want to see us trade above Monday's low and have some strength, because it's not only the Monday's low, it's this right here, it's this right here. Like a whole lot of liquidity is in this area, and it got grabbed, and now I guess it's time to run it up. If you aim for like the top of the Monday's range, there will be a 12.5% move to the upside, which is amazing. The middle of the range would be a 6% move to the upside, and I guess that could be you could take off half your position right here around the Monday's mid-range, because this is really just pure inefficiency. I expect something like this to happen on Solana, if in the case it is bullish. Retest the Monday's low, struggles a bit in here, and just boom, straight up, because this inefficient move gets filled by an inefficient move right here. So that is how the markets work. Mark my words, if Solana manages to reclaim Monday's low, I think this will be just a straight rocket up to I guess 180 almost. Yeah, kinda like there. Fuck, I can't talk anymore. My fucking throat hurts. Ina, I don't know. I'm not touching this shit. It doesn't make much sense for me to touch it. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade Ina. I don't like it. Fucking Ponzi coin. OP, what is OP doing? OP is back at the monthly open, and we could technically do the same thing again, just like we did here. Retest of the monthly open, boom, run it up to $3. So, let me just see on the lower time frames. I might just open a trade now. Like, fuck it. It looks really good. It does look really, really good. Like the whole market structure holding this right here. Yeah, I'll just add a small position just to be exposed, and once we reclaim this level right here, I will add size. That has been the most profitable system I've had yet. Like just adding size upon a break of key level. Let's see. Oh, Doge moved up 4% today. Nice. Fetch. I mean, Fetch has basically the same pattern that you want to see on ETH BTC. And I think this one could run up a lot, like being completely honest. Just needs to hold this level right here, basically. Since we have this big trend line coming down, Monday's mid-range right here, it's holding for now. If it does something like this, I think it'll keep going up. And the key thing right here would be holding this area right here, because it's a Monday's mid-range plus the trend line. So if it does hold there, you would add upon a reclaim of this level right here, like this level right here that I marked out. Let me just see what this is doing. Interesting. I've never done that, but you would want to long it here. Aim for I guess right here would be a nice TP right here, and the final TP would be, I guess, yeah, right around 2.758. So that is the idea when it comes to fetch. Yeah, it's not looking bad at all. Like, completely honest, it's not looking bad. It just needs to hold this level, because if it doesn't, and that's why you don't want to long it here, if it doesn't hold this level, Monday's low is the next level to tag, and possibly this right here, this zone between 2.06 and 2.02. So you would want to wait for a confirmation above this level right here, and I could add this So yeah, also I'm long on sushi, I forgot about that. Sushi does look amazing. Like it looks really nice. Yeah, what happened with SDEX? Did it uh, is it under? Oh no, it's performing really well. I mean, this was a great buying level right here. This right here, but then again, hindsight is 2020. So yeah, I was talking about sushi. Sushi looked fucking amazing, and today when I saw SZ talk about it, I was just opening a chart, seeing how good it looked, and I just longed it. But this is an old chart, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, you can see the constant T-web to the upside. That's why I wanted to long it so much. And I have good size on it. Oh yeah, 20k into SDEX is a I don't know how smart of a move that will be. But then again, coming back to SDEX, you can see this whole inefficient area right here. Like basically this is your TP 1.71. You don't like if you want to hold this as a swing, that would be your TP, and just look at the move you would get with it. 32% move to the upside. I guess you take something off, but you really don't have any significant levels. I guess we could do this. If it wants to move, please. I guess you could TP right around here, which makes sense with this whole area right here. But you really don't have that much resistance coming up on sushi. And that's why I already added size. That's why I'm basically chilling now. Like, it's not up that much. It's up 23% with 10x leverage, which is solid. But then again, if it goes up to this area right here, I guess 1.71 works. Let me just see what type of move that would be. Yeah, that would be like 330%, which would be amazing. So that's why I'm long on sushi right now. And I really hope BTC doesn't fuck it up, because it's looking like wildly good. And yeah, you can really notice like pure inefficiency in this whole area. That is why I think we have the same type of move like we did. Which coin was it talking about? Was it OP? No. Fetch possibly. I have no idea what coin I was talking about. Is it BTC? No, it was not BTC. It doesn't matter. I don't remember, but still, inefficiency right here, I think gets filled by inefficiency right here. So might be a good spot to long it if we manage to pull back into 1.239. Let me just see where my entry is actually. 1.25 is mine. So yeah, mine is right around here. But boys, I think that's about it. Like, I've been streaming for 25 minutes. I think I covered literally everything. I think BTC possibly moves up towards the end of the weekend and forms a new Monday's range, I guess, in this whole area. Like, if in the bullish case scenario, BTC would be ranging between 69k and 74k. This would be the range in a bullish scenario. In a bearish scenario, I think we continue ranging around this area right here, like 69 and 65. That's basically my prediction for the next week. Thank you for tuning in, bro. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'll go chill out. Hopefully, I'll feel better tomorrow. But we'll see how it goes. So see you tomorrow, bro.